Okay. I need to sneeze. Never mind. No sneeze.
Here we go. You don't want to do the other side?
Bless me. I'm just kidding.
Literally so
Oh my god.
Bless me. No one else is gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
in your routine to like soothe it down. Bless you.
Thank you.
So
So much just happened at one time. Sorry. I'll continue talking about important things in a second. Excuse me. Okay, it was right around here.